So guys, we're gonna go check out a Volkswagen for 300 and hopefully get it today. So that's it. So guys, we ended up getting the paperwork done, and then in about, Ryan is one proud owner of a Volkswagen convertible. Are you proud of what you did?
Nope.
So YouTube, we just transferred the papers over and we're going to talk to the guy and get the keys for the car, and hopefully, since the guy has a tow truck, we'll be like, hey, do you wanna
Kind of a tow truck.
use your tow truck and bring the car to our place? Yeah, we're on our way. It's only like 2 blocks away. So we'll be there shortly.
Dude, look at that Bernie!
Oh shoot,
dude,
man.
that's lit.
Somebody in his very fast car
Yeah.
went vroom vroom. So YouTube, we just got the car dropped off and I'm gonna show you guys the car. It's a nice little white, it's not a Rabbit, it's not a Golf, it's a Cabriolet, so it might be a Golf, I don't know Volkswagens, but here, I'll show you guys. It's right over there. Look at that. That's the car. It came with a bunch of antifreeze and a timing belt. So the antifreeze, I'm guessing there's a leak in the rad. But yeah, this is the motor. It's fuel injected and the intake doesn't look like we can carb it, so we're just gonna have a fuel injected race car. What's that?
The tag's like funny. It's like in. It's got a bit of a misfire off.
But yeah, that's the car, guys. I'll show you the interior. It's not the nicest, but you buy new seat covers and that greasy back seats, but it's a little 5-speed. But yeah, that's the car. It's a little convertible and it's a really nice top. So it's kind of sad to see that the car's not going to be a nice little car anymore, but whatever. It'll become a race car now. Yeah, it's drivetrain. Its body won't. But yeah, that's the car, guys. How do I turn this thing off? Oh, real thanks, ass.
You don't. It turns off.
Oh, okay.